Hello everyone, I am Monish Chunwar from Everbrisk and today I'll be discussing why we should learn programming languages or coding. So, coding develops structured and creative thinking. When programmers are given a problem to solve, they don't just start to code right away. Problems are not solved that way. When you see a problem, you need to break it down into workable pieces and then get on it. When you start learning to program, you develop the habit of working your way out in a very structured format. You gradually program your brain to break every problem down to bits and understand better. You start thinking logically, and this gives rise to more creative solutions you have ever again. Programming makes things easier for you. A simple computer program is capable of turning things around as you want. Something that works on pushing buttons can be programmed to do so on a tap on your smartphone or when you double tap. Yeah, you can switch on off your electrical appliances using your smartphones. Something that requires your input repeatedly, just like the online forms where you have to fill your first name, second name, email, and other information, can be programmed to have your opinion once. And it could literally fill out your forms with a single click. Yes, it's possible. Something as simple as working on Excel sheets can make you go crazy because of the manual labor it requires. You can write little programs to help yourself. Learning to program teaches you persistence. When you learn computer programming, you start seeing problems in the light of solutions. Your brain starts functioning like that. When you encounter a problem, after learning to program, you start envisioning the possible ways to solve it. You may even foresee some good results out of it, however hard the problem might seem. You become determined to act on it anyhow. You transform yourself into a solution driven individual. Programmers have to think logically about a problem. Once you start learning how to code, you stop giving up on the other difficult situation in your day-to-day life as well. You start trying over and over again. You become patient because you know there is always a solution. It just needs some more effort, just like it happens when you create a program, runs it, and debug it several times to reach the perfect solution. Attractive salary and multiple career opportunities. Technology is vast and there are plenty of job opportunities available if you know how to code. Programmers are high in demand all over the world. You can become a freelancer and work freely. You can work for some companies. You can work on your own side projects or you can use your coding skill for your own startup. The salary of programmers is also attractive because it requires critical thinking and situation analysis. People who are masters in programming work for a few hours but on more. Also, they are more flexible in their daily lives to do their job. Technologies are ruling the world. Technology is embedded everywhere, and there is no doubt that it has become a part of our life. Whether it's entertainment or we have to communicate to someone or we have to go somewhere, we are relying on technologies, and there are thousands of industries dependent on computers programs to run their business operations. Scientists use computer to analyze and see the results of their experiments and for their own research. It is used in data analytics, finance, food industry, education, customer service, health sector, from creating an app or website useful for others to drive a car. It is strange that from morning to evening we are relying on technologies, but very few people know how to code. Develop interpersonal skills. Coding not only improves your technical skill, but it also helps in improving the soft skills. Most of the time, when you are working in a team, you need to collaborate with co-workers. You may you may have to discuss project with them. You need to interact with your manager, and all these things eventually develop your soft skill, which not only helps in building your a good relationship in your professional life but also in personal life. Magic happens in coding when you collaborate with other smart people and build something together that actually something meaningful for people in this world. So, which programming language to start at first? So I recommend JavaScript programming language to learn at first because JavaScript is a dynamic computer programming language. It is lightweight and most commonly used as a part of web pages, whose implementations allow client-side script to interact with the user and make dynamic pages. It is an interpreted programming language with object-oriented capabilities. So from making your websites dynamic and interactive to making web applications, Android or iOS applications, JavaScript is used. So I think you have understood why we should learn programming languages. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please click the subscribe button if you like this video to get notified when I upload the new videos. Thank you very much.